I'll give you a description of the picture, and then it will be your turn to describe it. A busy day in the farm. We see a friendly brown horse. It is standing in its stall and looking out. The horse has shiny fur and a long mane. It looks curious about what is happening in the barn. The horse seems happy and interested. Next, there are two children near the cows. One is a boy wearing a red striped shirt and green shorts. He is smiling and bending down to touch a calf. The other is a girl in a yellow shirt and blue pants with polka dots. She is gently holding the calf's head and looks very kind. The calf is small with black and white fur. It is standing close to its mother and looking up at the children. The mother cow has big black and white spots and is eating green grass. Both the cow and the calf seem very happy. In the background, there is a farmer. He is wearing blue overalls and a straw hat. He is holding a pitchfork and spreading hay for the animals. The farmer looks busy but happy with his work. Oh, near the barn door, a woman is carrying a bucket. She is wearing a red shirt and blue jeans. She is walking towards the chickens to feed them. The woman is smiling as she watches the children. On the ground, there are many little yellow chicks. They are pecking at the ground and chirping happily. A white hen is keeping an eye on them to make sure they are safe. Finally, there is a gray pigeon flying into the barn. It looks like it is in a hurry, maybe looking for a place to rest or some food. Conclusion. In this picture, everyone is busy and happy on the farm. The children are having a great time with the animals. It's a wonderful, lively day on the farm. Now it's your turn. Describe the picture just like I did.